cave, so we're excited. So yeah, it's gonna be some great videos. So I'll catch you later. Hey Linda, we're the only ones here. There's my tent. It's not my backpacking tent, but it's my tent. We have this whole space. It is $10 per person per night. So if you're going to stay, it's not at all. And so if you're going to stay, you know, 2 nights, it'd be $20. 3 nights would be $30 a piece. But I'll show you. You walk down that little hill, and then there's a river access. We're gonna swim and stuff and float. There's little benches, little for a fire pit. And over here, I made a hand washing station, but I have a hole. Huh? I was gonna stick it in my. Where's the hole at? Right here. Well, son of a biscuit. Well.
If I had noticed that time you get back, they'd be leaked all out.
I know.
Well, if these become emptier, you can just put that water in here.
Yeah. But we got all that, and that's our little
now you recorded
toilet over there. Uh-huh. Of course. But yeah, we're gonna get dressed and go for a little hike. I think we're going to Silver Mine Arch and Hidden Arch by Coomer Ridge, and then Star should be here about 4:30. So we might grab some lunch at Rock House while we're out or something. So I'll catch you later. I'm gonna go get my hiking clothes on. I'm so excited. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. All right, we are heading to Silver Mine Arch, and maybe Hidden Arch, and that is at Coomer Ridge Campground access. And we set up our part of the camp, and I'll catch you on the trail. Pretty good. Don't feel nothing. I love my boots.
Actually, I mean, they come down on Friday. I mean, they got the whole day to go hiking that day.
Yeah.
That's the first thing we're doing on Saturday.
Yep.
And then if they like to, break camp, go hiking again.
Exactly.
So basically, you have 3 days of sport.
Yep. Huh?
He said 79 steps.
Yep. That rock looked kind of, I don't know, slippery. Not slippery, but yeah. For my little legs, anyway. Whoa.
Down the steps. Right?
Yeah. Damn. Look at that. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Oh no.
Because I told you I fall. Alright, turn around. Good.
This is so cool. Wow.
Nobody's down here today.
Mm-mm. Nope.
Man alive. Oh, feel that coolness?
Yeah. We got a wood, we got a kindling. She's over there. Got some marshmallows. Get ready to sit and relax. We did about 5 miles today. So, just want to get the fire going. It's cold. Yeah.
I do not think anybody's going to bother me. Probably nobody will come back this far. I think a good idea here is to put this down on the cooler, keeping out the sun some. On this side?
Yeah. That's not a cooler though.
Well, it's got stuff in it.
Yeah, it's
But wouldn't that be better to have the sun out of it?
Right. Star's here, so now we're glamping.
He's working us hard, man.
We got a little rug. Another rug.
Yeah, I want to look at this cat over here. Look at the tongue.
Say hello. Here. This is our mascot over here. Huh? Hang on. A couple of us decided to stay put, and a couple of them decided to go hiking. So we went by the famous pipe and got some water where the locals are getting it too, and we talked to them for a while. So that was pretty cool.
Now we don't know.
I'm recording.
Oh no! Oh my God, Julie.
I'll edit it out.
Look. Oh look, see here, here's a trail. Why don't you get your trail straight? Oh,
I'll edit it
Linda
out.
go straight up there.
Linda cannot cuss.
Go straight up there. Hike up there.
Shit, no.
You my flip flops?
Yeah.
I will.
You ever careful because cars come in. We'll
I came.
be careful.
I'm gonna carry her backpack with my flip flops on.
What do you think?
I like it. There's coming. Yee! The Jeeps.
Oh, the Jeeps are coming in.
Look at that. Did y'all stop over the last time you came?
Oh.
Marching through the avenue, through the tunnel we should go through.
You gotta go up here and see if there's any car lights. And you have to stay.
I never got it.
I
We're
can't.
going to send out a tunnel.
Nope.
Nope, we're good.
Look. Have you liked them?
Yeah. This is so pretty.
Isn't that cool?
This is more fun than going hiking.
This is. I love girls trip.
Road trip!
Is this like hiking? We're going through a tunnel. Uh-oh. You better
There's some
stop.
come. That's just the courtesy.
Well, you know, the New
If you got-
Yorkers do.
If you got somebody started through
From
here,
what
you
I
gotta
heard.
not come. Yeah, that's why they have purpose on the
All right. Yay! Thank you, Star, for an amazing dinner. It was wonderful. Do it. There you go. There you go. There's our glamping. Woo! Oh, they're playing screws and washers.
Washers?
Washers?
Washers!
Washers.
Washers!
See? There she is.
Did you guys put this in?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, too short.
It says 502.
6 to 8.
So you got two more?
Yeah.
Do it, do it. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, you have to. Okay, ready? Do something crazy. Right? Kind of shit. Oh shoot, that was so much fun. And Julie's the dishwasher. I'm sorry. Yee! We're having so much fun, man.
There it is.
Are you guys sending photos on TikTok or YouTube?
You'll get $3 off to get you started, plus 14 days.
So to make a banana boat, you're going to take your banana, right? You're going to
Yes.
cut it right down in the middle,
Whoa!
right? And you're going to smush it so you got like a boat, This is why it's called a banana boat, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Awesome.
And then you're going to take some Reynolds wrap,
Just the right amount.
right? You're going to sit it in the middle. So one of the main ingredients with banana boats is always marshmallows. So you always want to start with marshmallows. So you want to put your marshmallows in there. And then it depends on what your taste is. So these tastes are your pre-taste. So you can do Hershey's. There's all kinds of different bars. There's Hershey's, which is just straight chocolate, or what I prefer, which is Reese's.
Cups.
I thought you already made one.
I did. On video. So you're gonna put your Reese's cups in there.
She's doing Reese's.
Do you have to have a spoon? Do you have to eat them with a spoon?
You do, which we have plenty of spoons, and I have whipped cream and strawberry hot fudge when you get done, because all this is going to melt together in the fire pit.
I know.
She's dancing while I'm making the video. It's going to be great, right?
That's right.
It's not very pretty right there, Michelle, because these are melted.
Well, it's okay. It's the fact of taking a video.
Okay.
It is like it's unscripted stuff right here, guys.
So you're going to put all your goodies on the inside, and I also have pecans add on top too.
Okay. I'm a little concerned about the fact she's licking her fingers every time after she's done.
Well, it's going 350 degrees, so therefore.
Mine's right here. Mine ain't in there.
And this is mine. This is my own, so
You can
She
lick
can
your
lick her
fingers.
fingers.
Yes.
I just had to make some.
so you're all gonna make your own. So if you lick your fingers, I don't give a shit.
Oh, do you usually make the same one?
You just cost somebody.
I'm not gonna make yours. So then you're gonna tie it
You
tight,
can't mine because I'm scared of food touching my hands.
and then you're gonna put it in the fire. And the banana's gonna melt, and all the yummies.
How do you know?
Yeah, how do you know?
I don't know.
Maybe like 5 minutes, maybe.
What?
It's your turn.
Marshmallow. This is my bag. Hold on. Now what? Okay, so I got my stripy cookie because it has graham cracker and then the chocolate, and then there's my marshmallow right there. And I'm gonna open up this and put it on there, so I will show you in a minute. All right, there it is in all its glory. Ready? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah.